Now we look at the fall in India's forex reserves from record highs. India's foreign currency reserve fell in the latest week as the Reserve Bank of India intervened in the currency market to limit the rupee's fall against a strengthening dollar. This comes after the country's import cover hit record highs for 2 weeks before the latest week. RBI data shows the forex reserves fell to around $653 billion in the week ending June 14. That is down from a record high of nearly $656 billion the week prior. Foreign exchange reserves help a country pay for imports, and the war chest is used for external debt payments. Usually, currency moves weigh heavily on the import cover, and the story is no different in the latest week. The dollar's strength in recent week is weighing heavily on the Indian rupee. The U.S. currency has strengthened on bets the U.S. Federal Reserve will take longer to pivot to policy easing. According to the latest Fed dot plot projections, the central bank will cut rates just once by the end of this year. That is a significant change compared to three penciled in by U.S. policymakers themselves as recently as March. While the RBI is also not likely to cut rates anytime soon, the Fed's outlook drives global currencies. However, the rupee's move are not driven solely by the other side of the exchange story. While Indian stocks have risen to record highs repeatedly this month, foreign inflows have been subdued. What's not helped the rupee is the jump in demand for dollars by importers and large institutions. Broadly, foreign investors have stayed on the sidelines even as the inflows into Indian bonds have jumped in recent weeks. Traders say that the RBI has intervened in the forex market to prevent extreme moves in the rupee and limit its fall. This week, the Indian currency hits its weakest level against the dollar, with the dollar demand jumping and rise in global oil prices weighing on the rupee. Despite the nearly $3 billion fall in India's FX reserves in the latest week, the country is better off than its neighbors. At best, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal have a few months of import covers as foreign currency reserves.